In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to creating your own stunning website with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to create a new project in Webflow. If you haven't done so already, sign into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll find a button labeled New Site. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose a template. Webflow offers a variety of templates to suit different types of projects, whether you're building a portfolio, a business site, or a personal blog. If you prefer more creative freedom, you can opt to start from a blank canvas. This gives you complete control over each aspect of your site's design. Now that you've started a project, it's time to familiarize yourself with the Webflow designer. This is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Add panel, indicated by the letter A. Here you can add essential elements to your site such as sections, containers, text, images, buttons, and forms. Think of it as your toolkit for building the structure of your website. Next, take a look at the navigator, marked with the letter Z. This feature allows you to view and organize all the elements on your page. It's crucial for keeping track of the hierarchy and the relationships between different components on your site. The navigator is your go-to tool for ensuring everything is in its right place as you build. Once you're comfortable with adding elements, it's time to get creative with the Style panel. This is where you can customize the layout, adjust spacing, pick your typography, choose colors, and add various effects to your elements. This panel is essential for bringing your design vision to life and making sure your site aligns with your brand's aesthetic. You'll also find the Pages panel, which is used for creating and managing your site's pages. Whether you're crafting a multi-page site or a simple single-page design, this panel gives you the flexibility to structure your website's navigation intuitively. Make sure to organize your pages in a way that makes sense for the user's journey. Finally, before you share your creation with the world, make sure you preview your site. Webflow allows you to see how your design looks and behaves across different devices, ensuring that everything is responsive and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to publish. Click on the Publish button, and your site will be live on the web, accessible to anyone. And there you have it, a concise walkthrough on how to use Webflow. With practice, you'll become proficient, enabling you to design impactful websites with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in starting your Webflow journey.